Hi everyone, this is Alan from ESA. Today I'm coming to Accuglen Limited Corporation for visit their production line and their showroom. So without further ado, la follow my link and let's get started.
Now, let's take a look at the robot arm test workshop. In the workshop, the first thing we saw was the fully automatic 3D optical scanning measurement system. Based on the principle of a structure light, binocular vision or laser triangulation tracking scanning is a subversive non-contact advanced measurement technology. While achieving metrologic level measurement accuracy, it can greatly improve the measurement quality and the quality of complex three-dimensional dimensions of objects. Detection efficiency is the core technology in the digital link in the field of intelligent manufacturing.
And this product is high-precision multi-assess robot.
Marksman, a high-precision multi-assess robot, relies on the two advantages of high repeatability, positioning accuracy, and low integration layout costs, and realizes automatic precision scanning measurement on the basis of simplified integration and easy to use, which is a digital upgrade for the production and manufacturing of enterprises. An optimal solution with high efficiency and low cost is provided for enterprise.
And this product is mobile robot, fully automatic 3D optical scanning measurement system.
Mobile automatic three-dimensional scanning measurement system is a set of Marksman collaborative robot with the world's highest level of precision, up to ±0.003 mm as the platform, combined with high-precision CNC turntable to form a high-precision detection platform, which is compatible with equipped with different types of metrology level 3D scanners, binocular structure light or line laser. It integrates a non-contact fully automatic 3D scanning measurement system focused on solving the needs of various precision and complex parts. High precision measurement, single piece of fully automatic batch.
And now I will show you the workshop.
This is our constant temperature testing workshop. The glass required for our grating rulers are all tested here. The self-developed close-angle encoder uses the principle of photoelectric scanning to measure the incremental and absolute types based on the glass grating. The photoelectric scanning method is used to output high-quality signals and a variety of photolithography processes to make the scribed line uniform and smooth, sharper edges, and greater precision. The AD series open-angle encoder is a product developed by Jingu Intelligence for installation and measurement of the usage shaft system structure. It uses two methods of incremental and absolute measurement to restore the accuracy of the shaft system.
Alright, that's pretty much about today's video. If you have any inquiries, please feel free to contact us in our website. I will put the website in here.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.